Oh, someone wants to invest $10,000 into LMG. Is that an option? So we are not taking any outside investment at this time. And the reason is that I like to do things my way, which sometimes involves spending inordinate amounts of money on things that don't really have a proven business case. We don't have a proven business case for LTT Labs. If we had a board of directors that was anyone other than me and Yvonne, where, Yvonne and I have this vibe, right? Like I have the vision, and sometimes the vision is literally like a vision. Like I wake up in the middle of the night, I'm like, oh, I gotta write this down. Like I'll just like have an idea. And then she makes the vision happen. We've got both parts of the puzzle. And that is the entire ownership structure of Linus Media Group.
I've always kind of seen it as like there's the rocket thruster. But if you just take that, you don't put any wings on it or any flight control, it's not going to work that great. But if you control it and aim it properly, then it's fantastic.
Then it's powerful.
And you kind of need both, because all that power with anyways.
Yeah. That's so funny. Oh, you don't want stock. You just want to like help fund and encourage the shenanigans. You know what? I believe firmly that we should always give something back anytime you give us money. So you should absolutely like buy merch. Yeah. But I'm not gonna just take your money. I can't do that. So that's where I'm at on that.
And if you want to do something big like that, just like sub to float plane at the 4K tier, buy more stuff from merch later if you want a different t-shirt, or if we release socks or the backpack or whatever, and just like stay in the loop.
PJ Lee says, can't things be structured so that the shares are non-voting? Sure, but then what's in it for you? Why are you investing? And the answer can't just be because you want to be a bro and like help me out or whatever, because that's the way I think about every business transaction, is that I have to consider it from both sides. Because unless I can figure out what's in it for you, it shouldn't happen. Because either it's a bad deal for you and that sucks, so we're not going to do that, or I don't understand your deal.
Yeah.
In which case, I feel like there's an opportunity for me to be taken advantage of. I must understand both sides of the deal, or I can't sign it, is a policy of mine for life. So I just, unless there's something in it for you, I couldn't do it. And because my intention is not to go public, and because my intention is not to sell Linus Media Group to the highest corporate bidder, there's no end game for you. What's your exit strategy? There's nothing. And if I really wanted a loan, we're at the point now where our business performance is so strong over such an extended period of time that if we really need a loan, we can get one. So if I need money, I will just do it like that. And if the idea is like a big moonshot payout, then this is not the place to be, right? So that's where I'm at on that. That's why for now we have no intention of exploring that.